Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today it's Monday morning and I got a bunch of mail to share, so I'm just gonna put this into one video. And the first one I want to share is from Crafting with Liller and Wifey. I won another prize from their live. I think pretty soon I'm gonna get banned from winning their prizes. So I won their second live gift, and they were creating the Christmas ornaments, and they made 2 sets, so I'm one of 2 winners from that live. And let's see what I got. There's one, and here's the second one. Oh, look at the little unicorn. Liller and Wifey. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, sorry guys. So I'm really recovering from Friday night's party. So here's my card. Boy, I'm getting worse by the minute. And it says, "Thank you for joining the live, Lily and Wifey." Yay! Oh, this is so cute, guys. Look at that. Okay, so let's see, whose set did I? Oh, it's so cute. I got Lily's Christmas tree. Uh-oh, her pearls came off, but I can fix that. It's so easy to fix, guys, so I'll just unscrew the top and then fix it. But look at how pretty. Oh, we were all like, we were having such a great time. It was all hilarious. And I love how this right here is a sticker, and I love how the little snowballs stuck to the back of the sticker. It's so cute. I love it. But I will fix the little pearls. Too easy. Love, love, love. Thank you, Lily. This is the one Lily made. And I'm gonna put it just like that. And this is from Wifey. Look, black and white. We learned in her recent live. I won't say her favorite colors, but we learned something new. Oh, yay. Uh-oh. Okay, so it's okay because, it's really cold here and the hot glue just came off. But guess what? I could fix that quick, fast, and in a hurry. Because my hot glue, every time I turn on my workstation, my hot glue is ready to go. So look, Wifey. I love it. Love, love, love. And another great night at their live. They had a live Sunday night last night. And it was just so much fun, guys. I really enjoy it. My husband was like, "What is so funny? And what are you laughing so hard about?" But look at Wifey's little reindeer. Oh, I love it. And she got the little Jingle Bell sticker on there. Oh, it's a button. Okay, that's cool. Good job, Wifey. I love it. I love this. So these will go on my tree, and definitely, so I'm going to sign their names on the ornament. I'm going to put it who it's from. Liller and Wifey. Okay, so that's the first package that came in. I'm going to just move it right here. And then the second package is an order that I placed online via Instagram. And this is from a small business. They made wooden Christmas ornaments. Okay, and I'm trying to just cover my address. But I love it. Look, it says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." Very cool. Let me just open this really quick, guys. I placed an order with them online, and I hope her business card is in here so I could share with you all her info, because this came pretty quick. I ordered it last week. I saw that another friend of mine. Yep, there you go. Okay. So anyway, right now she's based out of Alaska, and I found her from another friend, via another friend on Instagram, and they do these laser cut Christmas ornaments out of wood. Okay. Oh, thank you, girl. It came really quick and well protected. But let me show you what they make. This is my child's name, my youngest son. And this is the Latte Stone. So I am from Guam, and I've shared with you other Christmas ornaments that I've ordered through other small businesses. Now this is very unique. It's thick. It's a really thick layering of, what are these called, veneer. And this is my son's name. The Latte Stone represents strength and foundation of our culture. Okay, so I ordered a few of them. These are my children's names. This is my son, my middle son. This is my youngest, my middle. And then, okay, yeah, and this is my daughter's. So hers is in plumeria, which is a flower found on our island, and which is my favorite flower. So she's a girl, so I wanted her a little different. I forgot about that, but yes, that's what I did. And then, oh, okay, she gave me two. I only ordered one, but she gave me two of these. Oh, I love it. And she sent me a message that she made a second one because this one she thought was very delicate and that it might break easily. So she made me a second one with this cutout, which I love because you could actually read it a little better. This is my husband and I's names, and then our year we got married. Now this is my maiden name, which I am going to gift to my mom and dad. And then this is the Latte Stone, the Feliz Navidad. I ordered 3, one for each of my children, so my daughter will be getting hers. Okay, and then the Feliz Navidad, the Latte Stone, are staying here in my home. Isn't those pretty? Great quality. I am so in love. I will order more of these. They are beautiful, and I believe these were $5 for 3-inch ornaments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this was it $5? Oh, I gotta check. Where's my invoice? I forget. Yes, the 3-inch ornaments are all $5 each. Okay, so my math is a little crazy because she made an extra ornament. Okay, so very quick, very good quality, and I love the design. The Latte Stone is very different from what I've ordered before. The ornament, the round ornament, is very different. I mean, super pretty, and they're all gonna go on my trees. So that is it for my mail that has come in, and thank you all for joining me. I will put a link to my friend's website. Her name is Deanna Preer, Preer, and she is right now based out of Alaska. And yeah, I will share her Instagram, and make sure you guys go check her out. And don't forget to check Lily and Wifey on the weekends. They go live. I think they try to go on Sundays, but they, a lot of people couldn't make it on Sundays to watch them live. So they're going back to Saturdays. They started on Saturday, changed it to Sunday. Now they're going to go back to Sunday so that everybody who wants to watch is able to watch the whole live. All right, guys. Well, thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.